usik.
Kaunti ma Homa Bay oyawo ayanga chenro mar ndikruok ma joket mwandu e kauntino e yor mbui. Chenro makoro biro neno ni joket mwandu maya e kuonde duto mag piny mangima obedo gi thuolo mar donjore e dongruok mar Homa Bay. Mabiro ndalo machuok kende tigoyo kata tibago nyasi mar chako ayanga chenro mar keto mwandu e kauntino mabiro miriore jatend piny Kenya William Ruto. Nyasi no otele gi gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga kendo noyore gi jambetre ma piny America Meg Whitman, jakom riwruok mar governors ma pacho ka Anne Waiguru, jatend migawo mar ohala kembe kod keto mwandu Rebecca Miano kod jotelo mamoko.
Which could lead Homa Bay towards becoming Kenya's breadbasket.
Underwater equipment, sensory, predictive algorithms, and drone technology for color sensing on fish is all being developed in Homa Bay as we speak, with global leadership in terms of performance and what the outputs of that technology can produce. And so part of Victory Farms' success, we look at the cages, we look at the ponds, that's what you see, but underwater and in the biology of the fish is where the leadership is also being developed. So I want to highlight that Homa Bay has been a great place to do business, but it also stands as, I believe, the future technology leader in biology for the fish.
Let us seize this opportunity to work together, share insights, and pave the way for a brighter future, not only for Homa Bay, but for all counties in our great nation. I am confident that this conference will serve as a catalyst for transformation, change, and set a precedent for collaborative economic development initiatives across Kenya.